takes all those that right to referendum away, which is a direct violation of your First Amendment rights. They're all over First Amendment rights. We're allowed to challenge our legislation. Allowed to challenge things we don't agree with. Unfortunately, we have 5, 6 counties in the state that have more population in them, densely populated, than the rest of the state combined, and those are all blue areas. So just consider that it's going to take all of us red areas all coming together, all of us parents in these areas to really fight back and to push back. Last one here, religious rights language. It was removed with specific reference. Older line about schools not discriminating against families' religious belief was deleted, but state federal civil rights laws still cover this. So kind of sad there that they kind of took the religious family out of this and not really care. What remains fully intact here, protected by Initiative 2081 and still in the law, access to all student records, rights to inspect curriculum and instructional materials, right to opt out of sex ed in certain surveys, notification of unexcused absences, right to file complaints on harassment and bullying, right to request special education services, right to academic performance record reports and meetings, right to be notified if a crime is committed against your child, right to be notified if your child is interrogated by police, and right to prevent unauthorized school removal. So these things are all in there. What it adds on, though, however, is the student rights statements require every school to publish and teach student rights, civil liberties, non-discrimination, due process, etc. Enforcement authority is now the OSFI, which is terrible. Rehabilitation, retaliation protections for teachers. Staff can't be punished for following the law, even if that upsets a district or parent.